Guys, so today I'm going to show you how I did the makeup and put on my Monokuma cosplay from Danganronpa. So if you guys want to see that, then keep on watching. So I got my pink backdrop, I got my face set with powder and foundation, and I have my nails painted so I can get right into doing the makeup. So we're going to do the eyebrows. Now one side is going to be white eyebrow and the other side is going to be a black eyebrow because we're doing Monokuma's half and half face. I'm gonna do the lips, so it's gonna be this curved smile here and gonna be a bigger Monokuma smile here. I'm gonna attempt to do the eye, which I'm super nervous about because if I mess up, it's gonna mess up everything. So, fingers crossed. Put the contacts in. So this one is going to be a red contact and this one is going to be a white contact. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara to my eyes. So now it's finally time to put the cosplay on. Alright, so I have a white button-up shirt with some black shorts on. You can't see. Have this checkered tie. Just gonna loosely put around my neck. And the main event, which is my jacket. Now this is crazy. It says judgment on the back. I don't know if you can see, or judge. There we go. There is the back of the hoodie. Now, this hoodie I got secondhand from a friend who no longer wanted and redo this costume so it would look like Monokuma because it wasn't in too great of a state. So I added puffy paint to make these pink splatters. I added some lace to here, black lace. And I also had to do the eyes because there were no eyes on it. But there is that. And of course, we cannot forget the wig. And then we put the hoodie on. And I am Monokuma. Boop, 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 boop. Tell me in the comments below who is your favorite Danganronpa character. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. If you want to see photos of this cosplay, I have it on Instagram, same name, Yami Clouts. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Boop, 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 boop.